Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. The Shift. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. May 31, 2021. Shift is dreamed, imagined by perplexed humanity, discussing it continuously, on and on for decades, unknown of eventuality to happen. Astrologers emphasize their predictions daily in mainstream and social media, print, the digital world, unknowing that attaining the number of collective consciousness of humanity required to make this event a reality is difficult to predict. Humanity's character is unpredictable, today is now, and tomorrow I can't, as a result of mixed races of their origin and free will. We chose pandemics over nuclear war annihilation, and found time to think, a very good choice, a way of preparation for the event. Erroneous assumptions of soothsayers and fortune-tellers relating the shift to solstices, eclipses, full moon, alignment of the planets and constellations are read, believed, others amazed, despite mankind knowing the truth. They are hired with our hard-earned bread money. Source and light bringers from the universe and nearby galaxies have utilized portals, the suns and the stars, to shower and overflow Earth with light energies to clear and rinse Earth of darkness. It is apparent the dark cannot tolerate incoming intense light, as they perish with light, or escape. Stories of human experiences about a new Earth, the likes of changes of behavior of birds and animals, new colors at the skies, likes of rainbow, aurora borealis at Arctic Circle, apparent peace and harmony experienced in several countries in Italy, Canada, Incan ruins Machu Picchu, Cordillera, and Cusco, Peru, in Vilcabamba, Andes Mountains. No one can tell when the event will happen. Awakened humans joining the collective consciousness of humanity will accelerate shift to happen, and light bringers assist awakened humans, the living examples of living light who are sharing love and light to the unaware. The shift, event, or ascension is happening. Let us look at the souls of our being, expressions of source energy, all that is. We are mind, body, and soul, and the soul is evolving both as a physical being and spiritual form of energy. We feel light energy flooding our planet from various sources and portals that raised us to higher vibration to the dream state, making aware, and awakened humans, attain a number of conscious awareness of who we are. The effect is, we are changing and expanding, energy beings domiciled in a human vessel in early steps of a much higher vibrational plane. We know City of Lights, a new Earth, a place where change and expansion are accepted principles, confirmed by scientists of expansion principle, a phenomenon of the whole galaxy tested by scientists for decades, including the unity principle. The universe is continuously expanding, everything is moving far away. Change defines the soul, who we are, as the flow of energies impact our being within. Mankind is energy that creates a field of light, auric field, avenues, ways of receiving messages, and the guidance we experience to interpret our lives. Intuition, and our higher selves are our daily guides, and the Christ consciousness. To adjust to the shift, we have to endure changes in our physical body, what we call light body processes, LBP, or sickness, body pains, and our new powers, to adjust our physical body adapt to a crystalline light form, to light, transcendence. We now touch our powers without knowing them, the likes of telekinesis, astral travels, and telepathy, common at dream state. Migraines, headaches, euphoria, tears, psychic powers, the physical body adjusts if you are part of the ascension process, otherwise you are unaware of the event, and your timeline is different, unaffected, perhaps another incarnation. The human body is a perfect self-healing, thinking, mental, and emotional, but the soul is much more loftier, unimaginable consciousness. Light being as this unseen spirit has millions of paths, and journeys of evolution to attain oneness and alignment with the Creator. Humans are minuscule bodies, disposable shell, utilized for experience, but our powers, when awakened, the spirit within can convert it to crystalline form with a chance to ascend. Ascend, shift with soul, or it dies a natural death, the usual way bodies turn to, from whence it comes, from dust to dust. Light beings, the likes of archangels and angels, are like us, evolving the non-physical way but evolving to oneness and assisting us all the way. Apparently we attained a critical collective mass of consciousness, aware and awakened, on who we are, not all of humanity, but a critical mass. Our higher selves and intuition confirm this positive statement, what with the intense light energies overflowing Earth and humanity from Source and light beings. We have learned to merge our vibration with higher light beings' vibration, and light energies. We are on our way to New Earth, the city of lights, where peace and harmony prevails, what we dream of. Join the collective consciousness of humanity and together we embrace it. Asleep have a choice to awaken, and join the collective consciousness of humanity. Love and Light, Angel V. Ornedo Jr. About the author, Angel teaches love, light, oneness and unity consciousness, assist with other funds to generate livelihood in industrial estates at C/me and corporations creating jobs, as faculty member lectures and share teachings at universities and colleges, boards and associations. Love teachings shared are from higher self and intuition. Link at ornedo@gmail.com or connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator ebooks and articles at the net.